Thank you very much. Dr. Mariita is my name, Chief Executive Officer of our largest regional referral teaching, training and research hospital, KTRH. This afternoon I'm here to basically try and inform the public about the facts on the ground. I've seen a lot of negativity about our CT scan, and as you remember, last week on Tuesday the 22nd, I was in Mariita FM, where I promised that the vendor who had been given the work of repairs and maintaining our CT scan had already indicated that the work was to be done and the CT scan commissioned by end of that Tuesday, the 22nd. And indeed, true to his word, as of 23rd, which was on Wednesday last week, our CT scan was up and running. And the very day, we actually attended to 2 patients. On 24th, which was on Thursday, we attended to 6 patients. 25th, Friday, we attended to 10 patients. 26th, on Saturday, we attended 5 patients. On Sunday, 27th, we attended 8 patients. And the Monday, yesterday, 11 patients. And today, the 29th October 2024, as of this moment, we have already attended to 8 patients, and the day is not yet over. And that brings to a total of 50 patients who have been attended to in our CT scan. Our MRI is working, and all other imaging equipment are also functional. And we want to dispel the rumors out there that these machineries are not working. And actually, I want to also confirm that after we raised concerns around SHA, the challenges we were having, the team from Kisumu was here on Sunday. Also, the team from the local branch has been around with us, trying to help us overcome certain challenges that are associated with any new system. And I'm happy to report that already we are getting approvals of pre-authorizations requesting for either MRI, CT scan, dialysis, surgeries, and so forth. And as of yesterday, we already discharged 15 patients after SHA approved their bills, and work was on. Otherwise, I want to really encourage the public to make use of the services available at KTRH, and it's our responsibility to make sure that our machines are always functional so that we can help our patients. Remember, this facility does not just serve Kisii County. It serves 7 other counties around us, from Nyamira to Migori, Mabei, Kisumu, Bomet, Kericho, and Narok through the Transmara side. And actually, we also get up to 50 patients per month in this facility from the northern part of Tanzania, Tarime, through the Eastern border. So this facility, which we really must make sure that it lives to serve its catchment population. In any case, Kisii County is the lead in the health pillar within the Lake Region Economic Bloc, comprising 14 counties, where our governor, Honorable Paul Barati, is the patron, and our CCM for Health is the chair of that health caucus. And the Kisii County, where Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital sits, is being positioned to be a medical tourism hub within the larger Lake Region Economic Bloc. We have enough workforce. We have radiologists, we have surgeons, we have oncologists who are available around the clock in the hospital to give services to the very deserving population. Thank you very much. Dr. Mariita, omoteneri gw'enyagitari itenene ya KTRH Teaching and Referral Hospital. Omugaso lero ntagete kuba manyinga CT SCAN yito gokorera emirimo. Omukubi oyeta kitariki 22 na promise tinga contractor ya wente go service na kulipa machine CT SCAN na to promise tinga itukelia chumaine gukora renge gasi egere machine zake gukora gasi ande ndato tabanga una promise ti wikira mwere gweli tukuria chuma ine CT SCAN yito njaja gukora gasi itukuria kubwata chuma 5 twaroche osentua korete abarwire babere CT SCAN na gwikira bone mrango kuona iga abarwire 50 bakora CT SCAN iga nande ne MRI ito nero korere gasi kinyume na amagana ndo chago taresko gari ingatero karagasi ne linga ntundo politicians into gasi ito no go korera abarwire bago chaga gasi igo ntagete ko ba assurance inga enyagitari negenda to koregas negenda to kudumia wananchi emogorogoro yare bamekegeli ya sha asuri ya change kuru asene NHIF matatizo yale kwa makamake mtua kesimi regional office ya sha na local branch ya Kisii mbachaga igali tukuria Jumapili bakarigeli mechando yare ngororo ochakera igoro system njata gitokore gasi ne batira piki bu yekore ogwikira no kabisa but asokora waitongo linga yachakera ogore gasi already bari mbaro ase CT SCAN chigana teba musini mbaro ba benefitiri wetira ati approvals chia sha oiskwa na se MRI ito mbaro bone bagenda kondora services wetira ase sha ase theater operations surgeries mbaro already ba benefitiri asesha iyo uchagiri kuri igoro abandi twa discharge bajireka nona bagina bari begwa treni bakonyo bago chaga baga kuibora mbaro already batari bake ba benefitiri wetra se insurance ya sha andende tono mogokonga abantu ito bacha ko embrace ba chaga ko register ekara bago cha konora services tego tonga nande bago so ya emeguko yabo ime bacha wakana chibesa ase cash ikera maroira buchire cash nabako na utakairi ande tetokobeka esegeta sabantu baito amaroira buchire CT SCAN ne to kwana igasi ano gotokona komanyanga kermo tokere na bate stroke twache kyomoto twake CT SCAN yobo kero tokere to somo na bate osene cancer yenda oseye amaya twake bicha ye CT SCAN ya to tebinga nga yobo beberete ne MRI boigo kuregete kyomogongo baka obongo ngokora tole twacheki kere murira presently na tukagitinga kero kindo bobe no boberete ase idegete kyomogongo sobongo egere twamanya kitoko murwali neji machine chinde buna kurutieta bokora chiremeremo maternity itongo korere gasi igo etoko imisaba abantu baito bakobera nyomba baka murira agenda screening services jira available kuru cancer ya oroiboro, cancer ya raramoli, cancer ya orobere, cancer ya prostate, cancer ya colon, screening injira available. Egera tuwa nyora marura ya mapema, abantu baito mbakumia bali nyomba cyabo. Ntuwada abanyagitari bayisaine bagodumia abananchi kare bakire nyagitari yitu. Consultant tubata KTRH ibare ya 55. Accounting imeto bwatanga 80. Abandi bari sub counties. Lakini abanyagitari yabo sipi bado gotumeka bare KTRH ase kero kende aria maroira aria aganeti ale KTRH asuri bifabire gaiga igo ndeta baskomia nyomba incho toko shulikere egero rualiwe obwene okore biasara byabo.